Out of body experience. What does it mean? Out of body means to be free from this body. That is possible only after death. But we can experience it here and now by just doing three activities. Mostly we are in four postures for the whole day. Either we are sitting or standing or walking or sleeping, lying. When we are in any posture, to be aware of that posture takes you to a situation, a position, condition that you are free from your body. Suppose you are sitting on a chair, just know, make a point of knowingness that you are sitting. Just knowing or this awareness will create a gap, a difference between this body and your true self. And you can enjoy those moments. When you are standing, the same process to know that you are in standing position. Just a little bit of awareness and knowingness will separate you from this body. Third, when you are walking, it's very important. When you are walking, just watch, notice every action of your body, of your legs, of your hands. You will find that your body is walking and you are watching it behind. And you will enjoy those ecstatic moments. And the fourth, the most important one is when you are going to sleep or lying on some mattress. Just release your body, just leave your body as if you are floating on water. This just knowing, being aware, or just releasing your body will separate it, will create a gap between your body and your true self, and live, be in that situation as far as possible. Only the remembrance that I am sitting, I am standing, I am walking, and I am going to sleep. Just a remembrance, just a knowingness will create a gap, will free your true self from your body, and you will enjoy the ecstatic moments, blissful moments of freedom of your body, freedom of your true self from this body. Actually, we are so identical with this body that we think that this body is me only. I am only this body, but it is not true. When we do anything wrong or right, there is always an inner voice. What is that voice? Who is speaking? Who is making the decision whether the work done is wrong or right? this is your true self. And just to remember your true self, just to be with your true self, is the remembrance of God, is the remembrance of Almighty, of which you are a part one. And this is the meditation to be one with God, to attach your true self to that Almighty God by just remembering, by just knowing, by keeping awareness, watching every action of your body, even of breath. If you are watchful of your breath, then you get easily connected with that Almighty God. This is all meditation. This is dhyan that you are going to do. You can do it easily at any time, every moment, everywhere.